Hello and welcome back to RyugenTrades. Happy New Year. It is the brand new year, episode 44, my New Year's resolution and some trading picks of the week. Well, today is the 13th of January 2025. It's a beautiful Monday, but on Bursa, well, I think it's mainly red. And global stock market probably a bit jittery at the start of this new year. Well, if you're new to my channel, I'm a retail trader. I love creating videos like this, and I trade mainly on the Bursa, a little bit on US, and also I scalp on the FCPO or futures crude palm oil. A quick disclaimer, whatever shared here is for knowledge sharing. Please do your own research before making any trading decisions, buy or sell. And if you are new to trading, well, you should read this book. It's called Trading in the Zone. It is a valuable resource to basically give you confidence and discipline and giving you that winning attitude. Well, this book is by Mark Douglas. I'm sure you know where to find at your leading bookstores or your favorite audiobook. Well, Mark Douglas always reminds me that there is no one that actually knows the direction of the market. You just have to plan your trades and let the market decide whether you're right or wrong. Well, let's go back to episode 44. It's all about my New Year's resolution and some trading picks of the week. My trading picks is two recent trades I've done on FCPO, one winning trade, one losing trade. Both are scalps, of course, and I'll talk a bit on Malakoff and Cloudpoint, two stocks listed on the Bursa Stock Exchange. Well, there were signs of breakout, and of course, if you follow Cloudpoint, there is some big move last Friday. I'm going to talk about that. Well, let's start off by talking about my New Year's resolution. 2025 is relating to FOMO. FOMO is a dangerous thing, of course, we know that. And the FOMO that I had was linked to me following a Telegram chat which I belong to. I was happily following the trend, trading FCPO, scalping FCPO, and I was actually on a winning streak of 5 trading wins in a row. But I listened to the Telegram chat which I followed, which made a call to go long instead of short. And boy oh boy, I paid the price. Well, I don't blame the Telegram chat, I blame myself, because I should have known better to follow other people's trade, because you don't exactly know where they're coming from. And since then, I've actually removed Telegram from my home screen. I have not been looking at the chat at all. So believe you me, it all is good. I'm like meditating in the zone, not getting FOMO. And I use OCO to scalp. My trading platform provides this. Is one order cancel the other, and now I live and die by OCO orders when I make scalping trades. So I'm going to talk about the two trades which I've done, one losing trade, one winning trade, and my standard stop loss for now is 10 ticks stop loss and 20 ticks for take profit. Well, the first trade I did was the FOMO trade which I was talking about. I entered long instead of the clear direction, which was a short. The market is basically bearish and it should be short, but because of the Telegram chat I went long. And the subsequent trade which I did on the 10th of January, which was 2 days later, and this time it was a clear breakout. I saw it, I did not look at the chat, I went long, and you can see within 1 minute basically 20 ticks of take profit was successfully done. So basically the lesson learned here is don't be FOMO, trust your trade, test your trades, and basically if you have a trading order like OCO, well, use it. Now let's move on to my favorite part of the episode, which is looking at charts. I'm going to move to trading view, and I'm going to look at 3 charts: FCPO, Malakoff and Cloudpoint. So I'm gonna start the chart viewing by looking at FCPO. I'm looking at the 15-minute chart, and you can see from the trend line and the price action that is trending downwards, most of the time below the 1550 SMA, and it's a clear downtrend. But now the recent past few days there's been a breakout, and if you're trading FCPO and if you're scalping or swing trading, you will want to look for entry going long. So let's now recap back to the point where I was FOMOing. So this was 8 July right at the open, and one of the reasons I was tempted to go long, other than the Telegram chat, the price was testing the resistance level. It was trading above the 50 SMA, and I took the trade. However, market, as you can see clearly, was still bearish. One last move down before the move up, and if I would be more patient and look for a short, likelihood of a successful trade would have been higher. And now we move to 10 January. That's when I put my long trade, and that was a clear breakout for me. Market structure has changed to higher high, higher lows, and price broke above the resistance level and price above the 50 SMA, and eventually also broke above the downtrend line. Next we move on to the daily chart of Malakoff, and you can see since September of last year it was a clear downtrend until recently, which was last month. Price broke above the downtrend line, and eventually there was a push up above the 50 SMA as well. And since market structure have changed, well, Malakoff looks bullish for now, but overall market sentiment for this past couple of days to week has been purely negative overall Bursa market. Malakoff now could just go sideways before any move up or down in the future. And finally, Cloudpoint, I'm just using my previous chart from my previous video. Price broke above the triangle, and there was a breakout above the triangle, above the 50 SMA, and now market structure also beginning to form higher highs, and higher lows. And the beautiful part was last Friday there was a big 10-cent move which was almost 11%, and today it came down back to around 95, 97, and the overall market just is dragging this a bit. So we have to see whether there's enough momentum to hold sideways before the next move up or down. So that is Cloudpoint, bullish as well. So RHB's valuation is around 92 to 108, the previous high around 105. So thank you so much for watching. I've enjoyed producing this video. I hope you have enjoyed watching, and do subscribe if you're new to this channel. Give me a thumbs up, it will definitely help this video reaching out to more viewers. So thank you, and have a great trading January.